Kak ti se sviđa ovdje?
Fantastično.
So, how do you feel as a Native American here in Bali? And you? Gunung Agung. Hah? Besar, ah?
Pečena banana,
Aha.
milina, jako fino.
Pogledajte ovo. Vulkan,
Da.
jezero, pogled, pejzaž, oblast.
It is beautiful.
Beautiful? It's awesome.
So
And
far,
you,
we
Eric?
are loving every minute of it.
Every minute?
Every single minute of it.
What?
Adrenaline.
Yeah,
Adrenaline?
better than I thought it would be. Yeah.
Were you scared?
No.
No? Fun, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Si spremna?
A strašno je, kad su me pustili, ovo je bilo gore nego Raptor u Gardalandu.
A ti bi na zipline išla, joj.
Ima ovdje i zipline.
Ima zipline.
Ne idemo, dosta mi je danas
Ne, a?
svjetlosta. Sad
Sutra?
idemo na ove još pejzažne, ove adrenalinske,
Ok.
gotovi su s njima.
Oh, you won't bring Ante to your home?
Yeah.
I don't know. You have to ask. She's the manager.
Just very handsome.
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you. Bye bye.
See you.
Bye.
I couldn't believe what I was living, so I called my friend Johnny, and I said to him, Johnny, la gente está muy loca. What the fuck? Johnny, la gente está muy loca. What the fuck?